Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can highly compress files with the help of WinRAR. To do that, you first of all need to install WinRAR software, which is one of the most widely used software for the files compression on your laptop or your PC. Once you did that, you need to select the file you need to compress. Suppose this is the file I need to compress. You just need to right click on it, and then if you are using Windows 11, go to the more options setting and then click on add to archive. Once you did that, you just need to select the archive format as RAR. You need to click on create solid archive and the lock archive option on the archiving option setting. Once you did that, you need to click on the best compression method. You need to click on the function dictionary size, select the dictionary size, and yes, that's it. And you just need to click on OK, and there your file will be compressed to a completely different resolution that you wanted. So if you found this video useful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel.